We are going to look at a book and see why we would choose it for information for an assignment at university. We will be using our checklist for evaluating sources. The checklist is: can we clearly see the author's name, the date published, the revision or addition, who the publisher is, and what is its purpose? Is it a scholarly or entertaining source? I'm looking at an ebook today. An academic ebook is exactly the same as the print book. So although we've chosen to look at this book in its e-format, we could have easily gone to the library shelves and taken down the print book. It would be exactly the same thing. So looking at the first item on the list, I can see the author's names on the title page, although in this case they are actually the editors of the book, and they coordinated the publishing of all the chapters by different people. So we have two sources of authority here. Our second item is the date published. This book was published in 2008. This falls just within our 5-year currency rule of thumb. Although given its subject matter, I would still use this book even if it was a little bit older. The third item is the addition or revision. In this case, it's the first edition and hasn't been reprinted. Now that's okay because it's a relatively recent book. Fourth is our publisher. Blackwell is a well-respected academic publisher, so I'm very happy with that, and we can see it listed in several places. Our last item is the purpose of the source. So is it for a scholarly audience or for entertainment? I already know that the publisher is an academic one, and if I look a bit further inside, I can see the list of contributors and their affiliations. So I know that they are knowledgeable on this topic as they work for agencies or institutes who study or manage forests. So the next thing I'm looking for, if I go into the chapters of the book, is I can see that there are figures and tables, quite common in scholarly and academic books. But the other thing that I'm after is I can see that they've cited their sources using in-text citation. And then finally, at the end of the chapter, what I'm expecting to see is the reference list. And so that's all of those in-text citations then listed fully at the end of the chapter. So it's very easy to see if I read an idea in that chapter, I can easily trace it myself by looking at the source that the author used. So this book has clearly passed the checklist for evaluating sources, and I definitely use it for doing an assignment at university.